Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my February Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. I know I said in my makeup monthly that I wasn't sure if I wanted to do my unboxings this year, and at this point I'm not going to make a huge effort to do them. However, I do have a little bit of extra time today and my box actually came earlier than normal this month, so I am excited, and so I figured why not share it. Again, let me know, would you prefer me to do my Boxycharms in like my makeup monthlies, just kind of as a makeup roundup, or do you like the separate unboxings? But anyway, it is a beauty subscription box. I think after all is said and done with shipping, it retails for around $32.99 per month, and the value of each box is a minimum of $125. They pick 2 items, you pick 3 items each month. So I will go ahead and leave my referral link down below. It doesn't get me anything except for like charm points and rewards points. So anyway, in no particular order, I got the Saskatchewan styling cream. I always enjoy getting hair styling creams in my boxes. This was my pick. So yeah, I'm looking forward to, I don't know a whole lot about hairstyling products, so I usually go for those in the picks for the month. So, and it's nice to just add to my hair care collection. My other pick for the month was a Wonder Beauty highlighter. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It might be a little bit deep for me because it's definitely got a golden-y kind of shift to it, but I've never hated anything I've gotten from Wonder Beauty. I have gotten a lot of stuff in my Boxycharms over the last couple years, but it is beautiful. One of their picks for me this month was the Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. Unfortunately, it did come a little bit squished. It didn't explode, which I'm happy for, but just upon shipping, and it just kind of got a little bit squished. So the packaging isn't pretty. However, the product is nice. When I swatched it on my hand earlier, it does feel like a very nice kind of serum-y feel to it. So I'll probably go ahead and put this in my moisturizers. Again, I do enjoy getting skincare in my boxes because it's not something I typically will buy for myself because I'm a makeup lover, and when I get a chance to buy something for myself, it's usually makeup. The last item that I picked out is this Eloise. It's like a lip oil in the shade Ruby. I just decided to put this on my lips right before filming, so I didn't like it. It kind of smells like, I don't know, like, do you remember when you were a kid and like you put way too much lip gloss on and it just is very strong, kind of like that juicy, like strong, almost one that makes you gag kind of smell to it? That's what this is. And I mean, it's just a lip oil, lip gloss. I feel like I've got this over and over again in my collection, so I kind of wish I would have picked out something different. This actually, now the last couple of lip oils that I have gotten I didn't like to begin with, but they have grown on me. Now I do like them, so maybe that'll be the case with this, but if not, I might just go ahead and declutter this and give it to someone who will actually use it. So not my favorite, and I also have a couple other lip oils in my collection with the same shade, so I don't know, we'll see. But the smell probably got me not liking it. But again, I mean, who knows? The House Labs lip oil I didn't like when I first tried it, and then it grew on me, but I just, who knows. The last item, and probably my favorite item in this box, and their second pick for me, is the Ace Beauté Mystic Romance Palette. Now this is gorgeous. I swatched it earlier. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. I will most likely be wearing this on Valentine's Day. When this video goes up, it'll be right after Valentine's Day. So yeah, I was swatching it earlier. I think that this shade here is gorgeous. Let me see if I can get a good swatch, but it's like a nice duochrome shade. I am really looking forward to playing around with it. Plus, you've got your like chocolatey tones to go a little bit more neutral. You got your pops of pink, and I mean, these pinks are gorgeous. I have gotten Ace Beauté a couple of times in past boxes, and I love them, and I love everything that, like, I love their formulas. Their products are really good. And look how beautiful the packaging is. It's like a wine, like burgundy tone. I mean, it's beautiful. Anyway, that is everything I got in my box. If you are new here, I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. But if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. And I am working on a new upload schedule. I used to do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday very consistently for a while. And then over the last 6 months to a year, I've decided that I didn't really want to have an upload schedule. It wasn't really working with my lifestyle, so I kind of needed to take a break and just kind of upload as I was ready. And now I feel like I'm at a place where I'm wanting to try to upload on consistent days. Now the times may be a bit off, but right now my current upload schedule, hopefully going forward, will be Mondays and Thursdays. Times it'll probably differ, but as of right now my goal is Mondays and Thursdays, and again that may change up. But I'm working on hopefully that being more of a consistent upload schedule, and probably not every Mondays and Thursdays, just kind of as I have content that I'm confident in wanting to share. But yeah, if this were my full-time job, that would be different. You guys can help by subscribing to my channel and watching and commenting, but this is just a hobby, and that's okay. If that's where the Lord has me on this, that's fine. But I do enjoy uploading. I do enjoy being here. It makes for a fun little hobby. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.